Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you're new, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on gold. Let's start with our trend. Our overall trend on gold is actually a bullish move. It is still a bullish move. Now take a look at this one gold did. We had an higher high. Here comes the higher low. Here is our higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is also our higher high. It came back to give us an higher low, which you can still see it as an equal higher low, whatever thing you would want to see it as in. This was kind of like in the support level. Then the demand zone, you can call it the demand zone. Then it pushed up and gave us an higher high. Here is the higher low. So our next movement on gold is a new higher high. So we will be expecting a bullish move this week that should take out this previous high and give us a new higher high. There's possibility that there could be a changes in this movement whereby gold might drop. If it will do that, I'll give you guys an update. But for right now, it's what we are seeing. Gold will likely push up. Now on the 4-hour time frame, this is our support level here. So if in case gold comes, we're likely to see another push up. But if gold go ahead and break this low, then we are likely to see drop. But our bias for this week on gold is to the upside. If there will be any changes, I'll give you guys an update. So stay updated. Follow this channel.